I'm super excited that you are able to discuss your experience with rising researchers. Will you be able to share what was your favorite part of the program?
Yeah, of course. So my favorite part of the program was actually towards the end where all the students were required to make a research poster. I enjoyed this because it was incredible to see how all the different students were able to experiment in different ways with different procedures and different results. And it was only until a few weeks ago this school year where I was expected to do the same thing in one of my classes. So I used that template and I did pretty well on the school assessment. So this really helped me in the future and kind of like helped me get my presentation skills sharpened, which was very good and helpful for me.
Great. Do you have any tips for students that are interested in participating in rising researchers?
Yes, definitely. It's a hot, like an intense course. Especially over virtual, it's like sometimes difficult. So my tip was to kind of do your like a homework, do the procedures right after the class, so everything, all the procedures are fresh in your head. And if you do mess up, you can easily even like email someone and address it and fix it beforehand, so that the experiment still has some time to kind of recover, especially with the plans. So I did the plans. So that was the best. That was my tip for any new people.
So definitely time management and organization is required for this project.
Yeah,
Great. And would you recommend this program to a peer?
100%. I would definitely recommend this for any peers because, like I mentioned before, a lot of the skills that we worked on in the program were actually expected of me a few years later. So, and I was able to use this template in school. So I actually showed it to my teacher. She was very impressed by kind of the work and how like thorough you guys expected us to be like 2 years ago in my sophomore year. So I definitely would recommend it to anyone who wants to do the program.
All right, great. Thank you so much.